that were in 5.7.1 fashion. Okay. Now, so what is 123D design? The 123D design is just like any graphics design. Most of us know the AutoCAD, CorrectDraw, and so on. So 123D is also a CAD, that is, what we mean by a CAD? Computer-aided design that we use for designing. And this particular one is also designed by Autodesk company. When we talk of Autodesk, it comes from where? The manufacturer of AutoCAD. So they are also the one that manufacture this. And then what makes this one to be special is that when you are making use of the AutoCAD, you have to pass through a lot of stages. But all those stages have been bypassed in this software. By the time I open it, you see what I'm talking about. It has been bypassed so that something that you need like 20 minutes to acquire, you can just spend like a minute for it and you get exactly what you want. Okay. So we use it to design a simple object to a complicated or sophisticated object. Okay. And after you design with this machine, you design with this software, but it cannot work directly on this machine. It cannot work directly on this machine. So you have to have other software. Okay. So after you have passed through all those processes, you can equally use it on the CNC machine, that is computer numerical control, laser cutter jet, and different type of other cutters. Now, images produced with 123D-Design software. This says using 3D machines cut across all the feet and page. You can pass these through and pass it, and these are some images that we have designed with the machine. And if you look at what you have to, the one we have to do, we have this one here, we have this one here, we also have this one there. And then this is the present one that we want to design. It has been designed. We want to use that one for this tripod. But we have some damages parts on the okay, let me move on because of our time. We have some damages here. So if you go to market, you cannot easily get this part in the market. So if you have this 3D machine, you can design it on your own and send it to that machine. It's going to print it. And that's what you have here is exactly what you have here. Okay? And this is the top part. When I see it here, I will show it to you. So this cuts across all the feet. This is a plane. Maybe you want to simulate the way the plane works. You can use the 3D to design it. And after that, like what the director has said, Dr. Musa, you can now use other software on it. This is a robot. And this robot looks complicated. But if you look at the part, this is a cylindrical cylinder. This in form of a rectangle. This in form of, so all these parts that you have here, you can easily mold them, design them, and couple them together. And it look like a complicated part, but it's not complicated at all. Because you design them one after the other and you put them together. This look more of mechanical part, which we are the one that designed all this. And you can see, civil engineers, maybe you want to simulate, those of you that study water engineering, you want to simulate the way the boat works on the river, the size, the weight, and other things. So you can use this machine to design it and use it, because if you go to market, it's not easy for you to get this exact shape. Then this for our electronics. You can see the chips here. Sometimes you might design something in a chip, electrical student. If you want the exact size, then you use this machine to produce exactly what you have here. And all other things too. Look at this one. It looks like an award. Maybe footballer want to give award to them. So you can design something like this, and you can equally integrate text into it. So there's nothing you cannot do. So it depends on how you can think and how your skill go far. Okay.